Hello, you're welcome to International Volatility Market. If you're new here, just subscribe, share, like, and comment so that YouTube company will push this video to a larger audience, and those your friends will never forget you. Right now, I'm doing a video tour of my head and shoulder pattern trading strategy I have been telling you people about. Where you can see I've made over $2,000 using this strategy. I also placed some orders that will be activated soon. You can see I use for boom 1000 index, I use 4-hour time frame to get the signal. If I should amplify my screen, you can see that I placed the order here because I believe this is where the RSI, the stochastic and the moving average 20 minutes. So I placed my order because the head and shoulder has been formed here. You should go and watch the video to learn how it works. So I placed order here at the level. I place another order at somewhere below the low of the first shoulder. That is, I placed it here and it was activated. Okay, I placed another order, sell order at the neck. I placed another order here, somewhere here. Okay, with hope that since the stochastic has crossed the moving average, is a great sell. So once the price is here, it will keep selling. Okay, that's why I place it, because this must definitely happen. It must. So the next entry point I should have placed order is also here, because this is the neck. This level is the neck of the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this is the neck. So if this is really a downtrend, which we have already believed is downtrend, once each time a moving average and stochastic meet at level 90 is a great sell. But the only thing is you need to place your trade at what we call the swing point, like at a zone, at points or zone that the price action will not go against you. Like if it is in crash market or bull market, the spike will not reach you. If it is in normal market, the price will not go against you. Okay, so that's why we are placing it at either below the neckline here, or you place at the wick, like the first shoulder, the wick, the high of the first shoulder, which is here. So, or you can place multiple orders so that you will know the one that will be activated, and you close the ones that it did not activate. So that's why I place another one just below the high of the first shoulder, and exactly below the half of the wick, at the half of the wick. You see, even if I place this order here, it will be activated. Let me show you why. If I place the order here, just a little bit above here, it will be activated. The candle that we activated is this one, these two candles, and so you see we are making money. Okay, this is legit. Let me open V75. It's still the same strategy I use. Okay, you see, I noticed that the DAX is crossing in 4-hour time frame here. Okay, so I didn't enter aggressively. I placed order because you see that a head and shoulder pattern has been forming here. Okay, this is the first shoulder, this is the head, and this is the next shoulder trying to form. This is the next shoulder, and I'm sorry, it has already formed. This is the second shoulder, and if I'm correct, let me show you what I mean. This is the first shoulder, this is the head, and this is the second shoulder. When you connect the bottom of this pattern, which is, let me connect it right now. This is the bottom. Like when you need to draw the neckline by connecting the bottom of the head and shoulder pattern, and the bottom of head and shoulder pattern is just, like this. You should go and watch the video and learn about it. You connect this low and this low. That is, you connect. Okay, let me show you. You connect the bottom formed by the first shoulder like this. You connect this bottom formed by the first shoulder, and after impulse to the upside to form the head shoulder, there will be a correction to hit a level that is approximately close to the first shoulder level, or to the first shoulder bottom. So that is the bottom we are talking about. So you connect the two. So that is good. When you have done that, you have to place the entry. That's why I enter like this. I place order. I'm sorry. See my orders, they were all running. I place order here. I place sell order here because the criteria is that you should place sell order just below the neckline. So I did that. Then another place you should place sell order is at the high of the first shoulder, which is this. I place sell. I see I've already made over $3,000. Oh my God, this is crazy. So thank you for being with me in financial and volatility market. I am very happy for you to be in a kind of dollar tour with me in V75. This is a vlog that I will never forget. Okay, you are welcome once again. If you are very, very desperate to make money, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you really care about life and you want people to value you, I want you to share this video to more than 100 people in your social network, telling them that this is only channel where you can become rich. Oh, okay. I'm not bragging. I sacrifice my time to learn the financial market, and coming soon are stock exchange, Bitcoin, cryptos, of which Bitcoin is among, and other aspects of financial market where I will be giving you thorough education and you will be successful. Why should you live this life without money? Why should you live without money when why not join the right person and make money and thank me later? You don't need to thank me, just subscribe to my channel. That is only thanks I need. Share my video to all your friends so that they will also subscribe. That is only thanks I need. We need to go to as millions of subscribers as possible. So thank you and bye for now. I remain with financial, and you are focused and you will ever be focused. Bye.